Today we learn the letter J.
Oh, tiny fingers, tiny fingers, tiny
J is for juice.
Good job, tiny fingers.
And J is for jellyfish.
Good job, tiny fingers.
Can you say J?
Yes, Thinker Caro. J.
Great job!
See you next time.
Tiny fingers, tiny fingers.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Oh, tiny